This is the wig we need for rushing. This is the wig we need for when they say we downstairs, meet me outside in 10 minutes. This is that wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy, Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How y'all feeling? Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? Audrina! That was loud. Today we're talking about this melted hairline Audrina wig. Guys, I think y'all want to know how I feel about this wig. I mean, y'all want to know how I feel about this wig. So I'm going to go ahead and just show y'all real quick how this wig, how we put it on our head, and go ahead and talk about it. Y'all could tell, I always give it away for my excitement, how we feel about the wig. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up for me. Hit that subscribe button and keep watching.
Y el pum 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 y la cosa suena ra y la cosa suena ra. Scooby Doo.
Y'all know when I have a big grin on my face. I just love when a wig makes me feel good inside. Like, I just love it. I love it. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig because y'all already know. Y'all already know. I'm like that friend that's like, oh, I gotta tell you a secret. I don't know if it's good or bad, but I'm over here like, oh, I gotta tell you a secret, girl. I gotta tell you something. You know it's good. You know it's good. So let me go ahead and tell y'all some specs real quick. This is the Outre melted hairline wig. I have the color Audrina.
20 minutes later.
So I have the style Audrina and I have the color DRFF Hazelnut Honey. Hazelnut Honey. Hey Hazel. Hey Hazel. Hey Hazel. All right. So this is a melted hairline wig. They have a lot of these wigs in this collection. I didn't notice the extended lace part in this. Some of them have the extended lace part. This one doesn't have it. It comes with those baby hairs, you know, the two combs on the side. Just one lace part. It gives you a melted hairline frontal effect. It comes with that elastic band and your adjustable straps. The wig is stretchy, blah, blah, blah. Let's talk about this wig. So, this wig is easy, y'all. This wig is easy. Easy. Oh, 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 oh. So, I'm excited about this wig because, first of all, I was not expecting this from this stock card. Audrina, I was not expecting this. Was that too loud? Was that too loud? Let me tone it down. But this looks silky. I have seen DeAnna Monet review this wig and she slayed it. She looks good. Y'all check her out. I'm going to leave a link below. You watch a review and you still don't know what's going to come on your head. So I was not expecting this. This is a beautiful everyday wig. I think this is an everyday wig. Outre is giving us these nice little curls here. They're giving this beautiful color. It's lovely. So this wig is not yaki. It's kind of like a light yaki, but it's the thick Outre. I just reviewed like a silky, kind of more silky texture wig from Outre. You know what? Y'all gonna see that video next week because that video take too long to edit. Y'all gonna see that video next week, okay? I just made an executive decision to post that wig next week. So that wig, I had to lay it down and it took a lot of work. This wig is very easy for beginners. It just has a lace part and you have that lace frontal effect. I did go in and use a little bit of, you know, freeze spray just to melt right here. Y'all, this is the wig we need for rushing. This is the wig we need for when they say we downstairs, meet me outside in 10 minutes. This is that wig. You gonna get a lace frontal effect. You can pluck it out a little bit more if you feel like you need to. I'm tired. I ain't doing all that. But I like the fact that the knots are thinner. It's not big. I like the fact that this lace actually melts pretty good. I feel like this melted hairline lace melts a little bit better than that perfect hairline lace. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think. But that's how I feel. Hint, hint, what's coming out next week. She's just easy. She's easy, y'all. The texture is not silky, but it's not yucky. It's actually that thicker, kind of silky. It's not silky. It's that thicker. It's that Outre. All right. Hold on. All right, hold on. Outre. Whoever you are. I've been talking to my friends and we decided that we will prefer, as far as textures, because we don't know how to describe these textures, Outre, okay? We need a texture 1, texture 2, texture 3, texture 4, okay? Maybe from silky to yucky. So we can get a number of which texture we're working with, okay? Because we don't know what to say about these textures. I just had to let y'all know. I had to let y'all know real quick. But anyway, back to the video. Kind of thick, medium, yucky texture, you know, if you know what I'm trying to say. And she's a beauty, y'all. She's comes right here. You can shift this part if you need to. I just went ahead and went in the middle, and I like the kind of like face, whatever it's doing here. You know that part right there. That part. I like that. Ooh, I like that. Ooh. But she's cute. She's a winner. I probably will be selling this wig because of the color, but I don't know. I might keep her. I don't know. I'll be making, I don't know. But I'm definitely buying this color in the natural color. She's going to be my everyday wig. This is absolutely everyday wig. I'm here for it. She comes in a lot of different colors. Red velvet, cinnamon spice, golden honey, chocolate truffle. She comes in a lot of beautiful colors, y'all. And she's cute. As far as the cap goes, I noticed this cap is a little bit more snug than the perfect hairline caps, but she's not tight. I feel like she's more snug because she's more everyday, and for when you use that band, it kind of, it's like a glove, you know, it like, what's that word? I can't think of no words right now. But it secures better to your head when it's a little bit more snug, and I'm okay with that because I feel like these caps definitely over time do loosen up, so I feel like that's why they made it a little bit more snug, because you don't have to melt this lace. I did not melt the sides. I didn't do all that. I just did right here. I did the important parts. I did right here. I went in with a little bit of lace tint spray, use a little bit of powder, and I feel she was a winner. I don't feel like this lace is the same as the melted hairline lace, but again, y'all let me know. But I like this melted hairline. I really do. I think they're cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. I'm happy. Me and Freddie and Scooby are happy. Y'all talk to me in the comments. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of content coming up this month, okay? So definitely make sure your notification bells are all the way up. It is December and we are slaying all month. When I say we, you might see me, you might see some other people. Hit them notification bells. I got a lot coming up for y'all. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.